pounds in the UK. Hey, I'd like £10 and £50, please. Thank you. You're welcome. And you get a burger. Thanks. £50 in euros. I want £50. Right, somebody's wondering me. Hi, no one. £50, please. Right, £50 if you trade. For the second type of £50 is if you really you want £50? Oh, I'm gonna need me. But it's not for intended. If you see a bird, birds from the UK. Birds fly up in America. Why am I flying so low? I needed to be higher. Your peak is reached, sir. Your peak of height has been reached. If Malcolm landed from Michael Jackson, Malcolm is 6 foot. Michael 6 at 1.5 foot. And 2 foot 4. 2. 1 foot 2. 1 foot 2. 1 foot 2 makes it good. 1 foot 2. 2. PPU. 2 foot. 2 foot. So it goes from 1 foot, 2 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, 6 foot, 12 foot. 24 foot. 24 foot. 48 foot. 48 foot. And first one, 48 foot. Above 1. Someone falls from 96 foot. Ah! Someone falls from 96 foot. They're injured. Cooked. What if I try from 96? Double of that. Double of that. So that's like 192. If you go even down from 192, here's how much smashed you are. 192 foot. You're smashed like that. You're instant dead. 96 foot. Still very high, but better injuries. 48 foot. 24 foot. 24 foot. Right here. Oh, the hell. 12 foot. Okay, 24 foot. Sorry. I'm okay. Still feeling a bit bad. 12 foot, a normal fall like this. Like that. Like if you fall from 6 foot like. When you get red stick man, punching the blue stick man, and then your wooden stick, and then when the metal rod hits like, the stick man's dead. Bye.